Are you looking at your messy chart and decided you want to start fresh and new? Okay, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TradingView chart in just a second. So let's get started. Let's go to your TradingView chart, open it, and here you will find this setting. Click the setting and go to the canvas. And here below, you will see template. Click the template and click apply defaults and click OK. Here on your left side, you will see the trash icon. Click the trash icon and remove everything. Drawings, remove indicator, remove, yeah, you have removed everything. Okay, so now that you have removed everything, you are now ready to start new, to start fresh, and that's it. You now have a chart that is now fresh and clean. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TradingView tricks. See you in our next one.